Wait, hold on. Get ready to unlock the potential of crypto. Whether you're building long-term wealth or seeking short-term gains, Altcoin Era gives you the edge to make smarter choices. Head over to our private members, log in. Once you're logged in to our private members, press play and enjoy this snippet. Sit back, relax, and enjoy the ride. It's been a hell of a journey so far. We got into this entry right here, 0.03. Right here, we went up by 91% with 26 leverage. What would that make it? 91% times by 26 leverage, 2,366%. All right, now we need to break this point. This point is resistance right over here, so pay attention. We got resistance right over here, and then we got another resistance right over here. But what I want to show you is this, ladies and gentlemen. I want to show you something very, very interesting. This right here is showing a very, very predictable pattern. Every time we break this trend line, we go higher. Okay, so we hit it once, twice, 3 times, we went up higher. Okay, again, hit this trend line 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hit this trend line, bounced. But remember, look at volume, guys. All right, look at the volume. As soon as it breaks it, look for volume, we're up again. Okay, from there to there, every time we've done this, we've broken this trend line from here to the next peak, which took around 62 bars. That's 1,084%. Let's go again. So it's broken this bar with volume. Bear in mind, we're looking for volume as well. Look right here, volume, bang. Then again, there's volume right here. So it hit this trend line. It hit this trend line right over here. So we broke out and it made 374% increase. Okay, it hit this trend line again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and finally with volume, it broke with volume right here. It broke out again. There was volume and it broke out. Then we went parabolic once again, and it went up 1,312%. It went up by 1,000. It went up from here with confirmation, went up by 1,360%. All right, again, we've hit this trend line. 1, 2, this was a fake out. 3, fake out. 4, and now it's broken. So if we use the data points that we have here, look at this, broke out, made a bounce from here to there, went 900%. Okay, 300%, 1,400%. Let's get the average of all of them. We could see a return of 784%. 784% possibly. So from here to there, we could see a return of 700. We could possibly see a return of 747%. That will take us 3 cents. So imagine that, 7x, ladies and gentlemen. You can buy this on spot. You don't necessarily need to use leverage. You can buy this on spot. And every time we've seen patterns like this, we've seen an increase in the price. Every time we've seen this break of a trend line, it means that we're heading up higher. And I can't guarantee how high it will go, because we're about to see price discovery, and it could go to possibly to 3. It could possibly go to 3 cents. That's a massive return. You can use spot or you can use leverage. It's up to you. You can take profits now. I've taken profits. I've taken some profits. I've taken some off the table. I think we might consolidate for a little bit longer and then finally break out, because every time we've done this, we've had a little consolidation. 1, 2 bars here, 2 bars down here, and we've had a drawdown. Once we've got to this peak, we've had a drawdown. Even during this period, we had a 57% drawdown. Over here as well, we've had from the resistance to there, we've had a 28% drawdown. So we could see another drawdown. We could see another drawdown from the wick to there, maybe get to this area at 0.004. That will be a great entry point to once again break out. And this time we can break this resistance and then break this resistance. And then finally, we have price discovery. Next week, we'll probably get to there. And then in the next 60 days, we could see another 40 to 50 to 55% decrease. So we're looking to hold these positions, especially clay. I want to hold this position for at least 2 months. So make sure the size is a big size. Make sure it's not small. Make sure you have a good size on this. Get a short position. You can go onto mix, and in mix you can do the same thing. So mix is the same thing. You can it has it on mix, and you can trade it on mix. So that's clay, for example. And then we have another example that I want to show you where you can do an actual tangible trade, which is